Maybe this one is broken. We do not know that. Maybe this one, they are same, so I will remove both. It's easier to remove them when you add fresh low melting soldering wire, and in the same time I removing look at it. That's proper job. There is some protective invisible protective layer on this board, so everything about soldering is harder here. Nice. These MOSFETs are needed, and I need to check that all parts working properly. Very hard to remove them, as you could see. 420 degrees, and these rods are consuming heat incredibly good. Component tester, yep, we are there. So I hope it cooled properly. Just attach it and take one leg from. Not easy job. Look at it. It says that it's MOSFET RTS 4 ohms. According to this, it works. Yep, same, but RTS 0.8 ohm. That is something much different than this. Maybe my fingers, I don't know, maybe. Let's try again. It's same measurement. I don't know, really. Not convenient in that measure. This is a diode. It can be checked by regular instrument. Yep, it looks like it's working. This one no. This one's slightly less forward voltage drop. Interesting. Now need to remove this. Soldering material melting. There we go. Not mix them. Okay. Yeah, that should be fine job. Okay, now time to check that MOSFET, which maybe survived. It's fun how these break. And believe me, this time will not break anything. It was my laziness to not take, not be careful. No, this one does not work. You see, this MOSFET is kaput. Both MOSFETs dead, diode dead, rectifier dead. PWM didn't survive. I need new PWM. That is the fact. I will just solder back these MOSFETs. That is what I'm going to do. Both MOSFETs, just to prepare them well for soldering. It's not good to touch MOSFET with finger after soldering. That's all. They are both same MOSFETs, so no need to know where which one go. Let me do it by hand. Now we'll heat up this. That is one MOSFET. Now again heat up everything. Everything is soldered. Nice and easy. MOSFETs in place, diode in place, rectifier in place. But I will not power it on. I need this and I need to order it. Without changing this, I will not work, and without changing few resistors around and capacitors, I will not power it on, or maybe I will, but then it will be controlled power without breaking fuse. Maybe I will do. I need to check this rectifier if it blown in our last tryout. So let me go in diode mode again. This is plus. So this one is kaput. A lot of damage.